Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tilda for no-code app landing pages, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Tilda website URL. Press the Enter key to load the page. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you can either enter your email address and password or choose to log in using social media accounts. If you are entering your email and password, ensure the information is accurate. After filling in your credentials, click the login button at the bottom of the form. If you opted for a social media login, select your preferred platform. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection if prompted. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Tilda dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. In the dashboard, you can start creating or editing your no-code app landing pages. To create a new page, look for the New Project button and click on it. From here, you can choose various templates or start from scratch. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. Double-check the accuracy of your email and password before trying again. For forgotten passwords, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to reset your password. Once logged in, you are ready to build stunning landing pages without any coding skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.